Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off the lights on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So you have multiple reasons why you'd want to turn off the lights, whether you just want to switch them off or you want to conserve the battery of your buds. Turning off the lights can be incredibly useful. So to do this, the first step is to ensure that you have the buds in your hands. Then identify the sensors. So the sensor on the buds are on the long side of the buds. Then from here, you want to pinch and press on the sides, on the stem side of the bud. So pinch and press both sides simultaneously, like that. Then, if they're not turning off, you can now let go and then try again until you see the lights coming off. Then once they've been turned off like that, the lights have now been disabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.